Hi, Jenny here. Today for dinner I'm going to be making a cheesy baked ziti with making our own spaghetti sauce to go in it. So let's get started. For this recipe we are going to make our own spaghetti sauce part of it. So that part requires 2 tablespoons olive oil, a teaspoon of minced garlic. I ran out of my minced garlic, but I have a garlic clove there which is also going, so that'll be enough. 28 ounces of tomatoes, 2 tablespoons dried parsley, 1 teaspoon dried basil, half a teaspoon dried oregano, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper. And then for the ziti portion of it, we have half a pound of dried ziti noodles, 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 3 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and this one says 2, I've got another one that I'll also be using, and half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to chop up the tomatoes first and put them aside in a bowl, and then we'll go from there. We're going to add our 2 tablespoons of oil to our pan, mince up our garlic, and put that in the pan. And then we're going to cook that until it's just turning brown. Alright, we'll put this on medium heat, and then we'll also get some water boiling for our ziti. Alright, it's starting to brown, so we're going to add our tomatoes. Two tablespoons of parsley flakes. Ooh, am I gonna have enough? Yep. And what I have. One teaspoon of basil. And then half a teaspoon oregano, black pepper, and salt. Alright, our tomatoes are getting very nice and soft and sauce-like, so that's good. Our water is boiling, so we needed half of the box of ziti noodles. So we will cook those for 8 minutes and then drain them. Noodles are finished boiling. We're going to drain them and then put them back in the pot. Turn off our sauce, and now we're going to add our cheeses to that. We're going to mix the ricotta cheese in with our noodles, and then half of our mozzarella cheese. So that's ricotta cheese. So we're going to preheat the oven to 350. Okay, we are going to spray the bottom of our pan. Put half of our spaghetti sauce mixture in there, and then all of the noodle mixture. Alright, now we'll put the rest of the the rest of the sauce on top, and then the rest of the mozzarella and half a cup of Parmesan. Oven is preheated. It will bake for 20 to 30 minutes. Oh. Delicious. Alright, the cheesy baked Ziti is done and cool, so now time to taste test it. It smelled good the whole time I was cooking it. Even my daughter came down at one point and asked if I was making garlic bread because it smelled so good. So I was when we were cooking the garlic in the pan. I should have made garlic bread with this. Maybe I still will. Anyways, let me know if you guys have made a baked Ziti type dish before, and I will leave this recipe down in the comments. Keep it positive. Go make it a great day. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner now. Bye-bye. Oil. That's really good.